Hello everyone. Eric the excavator's in for his service. We have to check he's fit and healthy for all the digging he does. Who wants to help? I think I'll choose yellow. I know you want to play, but I think you'll have just as much fun working in the garage. We'll start by checking your engine, Eric. Let's have a nice loud rev. You can do better than that, Eric. Great catch, Yellow. Time to test your caterpillar tread. Last part of the service, Eric. Let's see how your digger arm's working. Ooh! Needs a spot of oil, Yellow. Well done, Eric. You've passed your service, so you're all ready for lots more digging. Do you want to go and join them, Yellow? I told you work could be fun. See you all soon for more work and fun here at Gecko's Garage. Hello everyone, welcome back to Gecko's Garage. It's very muddy today, so we're getting our car wash ready. Look, here comes Baby Truck to get all cleaned up. Hello, Baby Truck. Let me guess what you're here for. Splish, splash and splosh. Activate Gecko's car wash. That's not right. You're still all muddy. Of course, we haven't filled it up with soap. You can't get squeaky clean without soap. Now the soap is filled to the top, we can wash all that mud off. That's strange. The rollers are meant to wash the bubbles off. Aha, that's it! Baby Truck is too small for the rollers to reach. Hooray! The car wash is working and Baby Truck is sparkling clean. It's cheerio from Gecko. Bye!
Hey everyone! Welcome back to Gecko's Garage. We're just giving Bobby the bus his checkup. We're almost done. Wait! Mechanicals! I'm still up here! Bobby! Bobby! Oh dear, he can't hear me! Mechanicals! Quick! Do something! Look out! Here comes a bridge! Whoa! Spinning screwdrivers! Oh, look! A high bridge! Great idea, Mechanicals! If I can just grab hold... Missed! Now what? Oh. Whoa! Good thinking, Yellow. You saved the day. It's okay, Bobby. You didn't know, and nobody got hurt. Thank you for all your help, Mechanicals. What would I do without you? Bye!
Hello there, everyone. Gecko here. It's a lovely sunny day, so I thought I'd do some bird watching. Oh, look. It's the twins, Barry and Carrie. Oh no! Barry's crashed! Quick, Mechanicals, we need to help. Go, go, Tilly tow truck! Don't worry, Barry. We'll soon have you out of there. Blue! Let's get you checked over. That's strange. Your engine won't start. Ah, Carrie's come to cheer Barry up. How lovely. I knew there was something fishy going on. That fish must have been stuck in Barry's exhaust. That's why his engine wouldn't start. It's so nice when your friends come to visit. It helps you get better much faster. The fish is home safe and sound. His friends must have been worried about him. Well, all's well that ends well. We'll see you again soon. Bye!
Come on, Blue. I think it's time for bed. Good night, Mechanicals. Huh? Bobby! What are you doing here so late? Oh dear, you need a new wheel. I can fix that. But we need to be quiet. Huh? Ah! Phew! That was a close one. No! Hit! Oh! done, Bobby. Good night. Perhaps I'll just sit down for a moment.